Hi Achievers! Welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning how to say he is eating a banana. Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the verb to eat. Please keep in mind that there is no difference between he eats and he is eating in Russian. When we need to say he is eating, in Russian we say on ест, where on is he and есть is eating. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word on, which is Russian for he. The first sound is o and then goes n. Try saying it with me. On. Excellent. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word ест. The first sound is ye, then we have s, and then goes t. And all together it's ест. Ест, which is Russian for is eating. Try saying it with me. Ест. Well done. So far, we've learned how to say he is eating in Russian, where he is on and is eating is ест. And all together it's on ест. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject in the sentence. Do you remember what is Russian for he? On. Excellent. What about is eating? Ест. Well done. And the last word for today is банан. 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 Banan is banana in Russian. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word banan. The first sound is b, then goes a, then we have n, a, and n. And all together it's banan, which is Russian for banana. Try saying it with me. Banan. Well done. Today you learned how to say he is eating a banana. Он ест банан. Do you remember what is Russian for he? Он. Excellent. What about is eating? Ест. Well done. Do you remember how to say banana? Банан. Well done. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Он is he. Ест is eating. Банан is banana. Он ест банан Он. Do you know where the other on is? Excellent. Ест. Do you remember where the other ест is? Well done. Банан. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say he is eating a banana in Russian. Он ест банан. Where on is he, ест is eating, and banan is a banana. Excellent. And here is your bonus tip. You may have noticed in the thumbnail of the video there is a whole bunch of bananas. In Russian we say гроздь бананов, where гроздь is bunch and бананов literally means of bananas. We add the ending of to banan to indicate the plural form and genitive case. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.